Over the past 60 years, OneDoor has been a leader in helping solve complex fire protection and security needs. With hundreds of thousands of products in schools, hospitals, high-rises, and other landmark structures, OneDoor has helped aid fire marshals and local authorities in solving many multifaceted problems, protecting from fire and intrusion while providing needed access and control. With schools in particular, security violations have come to the forefront of distresses for administrators, parents, and students, with more and more incidents occurring far too regularly. Many schools throughout the world have recognized the importance of keeping students and faculty safe. The building was redesigned with updates involving OneDoor for both fire and security needs. Using OneDoor helped to minimize the visual impact of the added security. At the same time, it created a safe, open environment that is conducive to learning, while providing the much-needed fire and security protection. With its rapid closing doors, uses the latest innovations in technology, and works in conjunction with cameras and building security systems to provide schools with a new level of protection for students and faculty. At the push of a button, the doors will close within seconds to protect its occupants and keep out hostile threats. OneDoors are equipped with sensors that will stop should it come in contact with any children or faculty members, then continue to seek the closed position once they are clear. These doors can be monitored and controlled from any school security office or even from the police department or other remote location. Another recent example of the many schools that are using OneDoor is Rose Springs Elementary. Working in conjunction with state officials from the governor's task force to the local mental health representatives and fire marshal, Rose Springs was transformed in just 30 days into what is arguably one of the safest schools in the world. It has been retrofitted silently but powerfully with security products to help keep its students and staff safe without disrupting the learning environment. Hidden away throughout the building are multiple security defenses, such as 15 OneDoors which are connected to an advanced building's control system. The access controls to these and other security locking doors in the building are integrated with 24 security cameras and 21 card readers to keep faculty in control of any threatening situation. The security doors are strategically installed into 3 zones to fit the needs of this elementary school without disrupting its daily activities. Zone 1 is in the school's main entry and when engaged, fully bars access to the building. If anyone approaches the external entry camera and appears to threaten the educational environment, both the locked swing doors, then the easy activation of Zone 1 with its 3 OneDoors eliminate the possibility of forced entry and safeguard access to all the main hallways. Zone 2 can be engaged to close and defend all the other locked exterior swing doors of the school. These may be engaged when any alert is sounded in the community that demands caution and are designed to allow classes to proceed with little disruption. Zone 3 can provide additional security as necessary if a threat is perceived to be more invasive and when done in conjunction with the other zones, protects and compartmentalizes the building, keeping away any intruders from traversing the school. The sturdy barriers are designed to repel substantial attacks. OneDoors can offer fire protection for up to 3 hours, but can also withstand attacks by an individual including extreme force. As code requires, the doors shall be equipped with exit devices so that no individuals are ever trapped in the building. Additionally, access control with the use of keys, card readers, and cameras allows faculty to monitor unique situations to make sure every child is kept safe. In other words, a perpetrator can't get in, but using proper school protocol, the children and faculty members can always stay safe. OneDoor is proud to be involved in many projects such as this, working with local officials to save the lives of children and faculty. This is not only true in schools, but in hospitals, businesses, and other venues with the need to keep people safe, while still keeping the buildings open and usable.